Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new to this channel, we review the software and tools to make your life easier. Before we proceed ahead, we would appreciate it if you could take a bit of your time and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you always get notified whenever we drop a new video. So, today we are going to review Coursera, the e-learning platform with more than 250 leading universities and companies to bring flexible, affordable, job-relevant online learning to individuals and organizations worldwide. Today, we will throw some light on this platform, share our opinions, and give you an overview of the features that you can expect from this tool with the price that you will pay. So, what is Coursera? Coursera offers a wide variety of learning programs. It offers courses that can either be accessed for free, or you can upgrade and purchase the course to receive the certificate. Also, you can pick from hundreds of different specialties on Coursera. Specializations are an improvement over individual courses. A specialization enables you to take a number of courses that are concentrated on the same subject rather than simply one. These specialties are fantastic for folks who want to pursue particular objectives in a particular skill set. Coursera is unquestionably the best e-learning platform for you if you want to increase your academic knowledge by pursuing a degree or master's or expand your professional options by enrolling in a specialization program. It offers a huge variety of educational opportunities, from data science to health, all taught by eminent academics and industry professionals from major universities and corporations. Let's have a quick look at its dashboard and understand how it works. First and foremost, all you need to do is log into your Facebook account or your name, email address, and password. You will receive a confirmation email from the Coursera team and you will get a form with questions about your work experience, education, and occupation. After filling out the form you will get your personal dashboard. So, this is what the dashboard will look like. The dashboard is really simple and intuitive. You will get a glimpse of everything in the dashboard itself. In the upper right corner, you will get an overview of the type of course you want: online degrees, find your new career, for enterprise, and for universities. You can use filtering features to search for a perfect course that will scale your career, business, or skills. You get the filters for language, course level, and topic. Further, you can sign up for the course as per your requirement. Filling in the sign-up form was simple enough, and you also get a 7-day free trial. After signing you will get a few emails regarding the identity verification, and 3 welcome emails. Once you start your course, you will see the content is pretty well organized, with a menu of lessons, grades, notes, and discussions down the left-hand column. You can even add course deadlines to your calendar. Coming to its features, Coursera has a lot to offer. From vast learning options to financial aid, Coursera has everything you need. With that said, it comes with single courses, specializations, guided projects, and master track. Also, you can get certificates when you pay for a course. You may quickly post your credentials on your CV and LinkedIn profile after turning in your homework and taking tests or examinations. One more feature that caught my eye was career learning paths. You may see a series of work responsibilities in each Coursera career learning path, from entry-level to seasoned professionals in a particular career sector. Then, Coursera's relevant learning programs are linked to the abilities you must acquire to advance in this job. Coursera also presents its users with course forums. To receive the help you require, you may conduct a search to discover whether your issue has already been asked, or you can submit your own question. Plus, if you can't afford a few courses, there's a feature of financial aid that you can apply on the financial ad and get away from the program. Coming to its pricing plan, the cost of the guided project starts from approximately $9.90 with approx 1 to 2 hours of time commitment. The cost of courses depends on the course you choose. However, there are a few courses that you can get your hands on. While the specialization course costs around $39 per month more or less. The professional certificates cost $39 per month with an average time commitment of 1 to 6 months. The prices of courses may differ based on the time frame, also depending on the course you have selected. It also has a pricing plan for businesses. The team plan and the enterprise plan. The team plan costs $399 per user per month. Last but not least, the enterprise plan has a custom pricing plan. This plan best suits larger organizations with unlimited access, skill metrics, user analytics, and much more. If you are opting this tool for academic purposes in colleges or university, you can contact their team to get a fair pricing option based on the plan you select. So, that was about the pricing part. High-quality course material on Coursera is purposefully designed for gradual skill acquisition. Although few resources are flawless, this one has established itself as a prominent contender in the field of massive open online courses. You may prepare for a great job in technology using the career paths, degrees, and specializations offered by Coursera. The pricing distribution, though, is a little perplexing. Additionally, some classes' sizes prevent students from asking lecturers questions directly. All in all, Coursera is no doubt the best online learning platform. So, we are almost at the end of this video. What's your view on Coursera? Well, it is worth giving it a try. All you need to do is tap on the link given in the description below. I hope you will get your thoughts clear with this video. We will get back to you with another amazing review. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Till then, stay safe.